To show the interpreter app icon on the app screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen by using two fingers to open up the quick panel. Find interpreter and then tap interpreter. Next, tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left and then tap show on app screen. With this setting, now the interpreter app icon will be displayed on the app screen. In other words, you can use it as an alternative way to access interpreter, and if needed, you can then add the interpreter app icon to your home screen for faster access. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.